What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Good morning from Cape Town, South Africa. I believe it's still morning, about 11:35. I have to make my videos a bit later in the day because all my American and Canadian viewers are snoring. It's early morning over there. So we're gonna go over Cardano, guys. It absolutely exploded, but we are seeing some bearish signals that I want to go over. So we're sitting at $2.50. We're up about 17.5% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 80.31 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 10.31 billion. So we're gonna go straight into it, guys. Make sure to sign up to crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto app, and you receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're gonna start here on the hourly. Just quick drink of water. So guys, we had our breakout with Bitcoin that we covered yesterday, and ADA absolutely exploded for a juicy 23% gain. Could be much more if you're trading with leverage. I'll throw my trade up on the screen. Make sure to sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in bonuses. It is my favorite platform for leverage trading, and you can see I'm starting to make some absolutely juicy gains. So we can see here we broke our all-time high, which is absolutely incredible. If I open up the 4-hour chart here for Cardano, you can see this African internet is a bit slow sometimes. Where's my chart? You can see we broke our all-time high, which is a massive bullish signal of strength for Cardano, and I believe for the entire market. To see a strong project like Cardano break its all-time high, I think is a really bullish signal that we're going to see continuation on this bull run for not only Cardano, but Bitcoin and the rest of the market. But it's just my opinion, guys. It's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. So you can see here we've broken $2.46. However, guys, we are seeing bearish divergences on the hourly, on the 4-hour, and on the daily. Look here, guys. See how the price is getting higher? We're seeing a small bearish divergence on the hourly. But if you come over to the 4-hour chart, look at this. Look at this divergence, guys. We created a high, we created a higher high, we've come up, we've created a higher high. Major lower highs on the RSI. Look at the daily, guys. Look, the daily one is pretty massive as well. We came up, we created a high, we created a significantly higher high and a significantly lower high on the RSI. We're starting to see the volume tamper off just a little bit. I'm most likely going to lock in my profits. I'll definitely close 50 to 75% of the position, but I may close the whole thing. Now, you do you. It's not financial advice. I'm just telling you what I see on the charts and how I feel. But the fact that we're having bearish divergences on the hourly, on the 4-hour, and we've just had a very significant pump and a bearish divergence on the daily, I think that will trigger. Those are all strong signs that we'll see a bit of correction here. Now, guys, if we do correct, what you want to target is your previous swing high, and that's right around $2.25. Right here is your previous swing high. Would be pretty healthy, guys, for us to correct. We may not come down that far. We may have a smaller correction and find support on the 4-hour EMAs here. You can see even with the EMAs creep up here, you can see we'd be catching up to the EMAs if we were to correct down to that level. I think it's very possible, guys, with this bearish divergence here on the daily. Oh, this is the daily chart. So if we came down to 225, we'd allow the 20 EMA to creep up. You can see we came very close. I told you guys there's a very good chance we'll bounce off the 20 EMA, and that's exactly what happened. We came very close to the 20 EMA and we bounced. But this is quite a significant pump in a short time frame, and we can see here on the 4-hour as well. If we come down to $2.25, we would be finding support here on the EMAs. And this is quite a major bearish divergence here. And you can see we saw all that juicy volume, and the volume is starting to tamper off a little bit. So not financial advice, but I wouldn't hesitate to lock in some profits if you're in a long trade, if you're in a leverage trade for ADA. I definitely will be after this video. But I wanted to get the video out first for you guys because you know how much I love you. So guys, we do target $2.25. If we were to lose that level of support, then you can come back and target about 203, which was the 0.786 on the Fibonacci. You can see the support in this area, and then your next price target is 315. But the fact that we're having this bearish divergence, that doesn't mean that the price won't pump a little bit higher, but I would expect a correction here would be healthy, as we're having divergences on the 4-hour, on the daily, as well as on the 1-hour chart. All right, guys, so I just wanted to make you guys aware of that. That's basically it for Cardano. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. Follow me on social. I will will do a big shout out to the Discord in the next video because we're posting chart patterns and it's helping a lot of traders stay ahead of the game. So price of a coffee, you can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Peace. Much love.